To get more content like this, to all the support and resistance traders watching this video right now, I know of a 6-figure trader that has been trading this concept I'm about to show you right now. And these are the 3 things I've learned from following him that I know with full assurance will skyrocket your profitability using just support and resistance. Stop playing. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and without further ado, let's dive into it. Okay guys, let's dive into this. I was talking about the $1 million trader and the 3 things I've learned for him. So we'll start off by number 1, the higher time frame, top down analysis. So right here I'm looking at Euro USD weekly time frame, and the second aspect is getting the support and resistance zones and levels correctly, because when you're new to it, you might be seeing support and resistance everywhere, you're not drawing the levels well, and all these things lead to a lot of mistakes. So I'm going to show you the second hack right now, except from the high time frame, which is number 1. I'm going to show you the second hack right now, which will be turning your candlesticks to your line charts. Why? Because when you do this, you're going to remove a lot of noises. You know about line charts, you can see right here, price reach here one time in the week, but the week closed right here, but of course you opened here, reached here. But this is just noise. This whole week is just noise. And if you go to the line charts, you see that this is just the points you should be looking out for. So this is one hack, and I'm going to show you how I use this hack and how you should use this hack in your trading. The line charts with the top down analysis, the high time frame levels. I know about time is power. I always say that in the videos, and the higher time frame will give you more confidence and more higher probability, and don't forget higher pips. So anything you see on the lower time frame, you're going to see it on the higher time frame, the support and resistance level. But the main ideology we are using right now is the support level we are trading out from the high time frame. It's going to give us more buys, more buy pips, up to thousands and 500s pips we are going to be catching. So even though you're a day trader, which I am, I'm going to be entering with that ideology of I'm coming in for the buys. Let's say we are trading off the support, or we are trading from taking some sales from the resistance. I'm going to come in to be taking sales every day. And what's that going to do to my trading account and portfolio? It's going to minimize the risks and increase the reward potentially. So that is just great. So right now I'll pick up my horizontal line. We saw that here, price rejected this level. Now we have supports here. Price is finding supports right here. And right here is another level, nice level right here, resistance, a lot of resistance here. So here will be, you know, the more it's respected, the more stronger you can say it will be, and especially when it's on the high time frame. So here is a very nice resistance area. So we are in this range right here on Euro USD. We have this good range on Euro USD. So I'm seeing another level on Euro USD. So right here we had the resistance area here, turn support right here, turn support right here, resistance area, turn support, nice level, also a weak mid level. So these are our weekly time frame. And going back to the candlesticks, now we can see how it's neatly respected. You can see this here, weak rejection, a close below, close back on, and push up. You can see how it's neatly respected here from this level to this level. Just trading off this, you know, you can be catching a lot of pips, 400 pips. So that is a very crazy move. And in the whole range, you can see from here to here, these 900, 850 pips, approximately 1,000 pips here. So this just the ideology, using your high time frame and your line chart to get that good and correct level. You want to be almost using the same level as banks and pull well anybody moving price. So this is a great idea and one thing that you should actually get from this video. So very soon we're going down to 4 hour, so we get something we call like the mid levels. So okay, with this ideology, we are trading off the resistance from a weekly. We want to also be marking out our 4-hour resistance for the day traders, so that we can know that we are below a resistance on the weekly, below a resistance on the 4-hour. That means heavy sales are coming in, a lot of momentum. That's when the CPIs will be releasing. That's when the NFPs will be releasing, and you will see a lot of spike down again to the support on the weekly. So just trading within this range, 900 pips range, you're going to be getting a lot of sell. You can see it happened right here, straight down, and when it closed below this week level, we had a breakdown, a retest, and straight down. In a week, we can see a drop of 325 pips in a week. So that is a very good ideology to build on. So let's go to the 4 hour. We'll be doing the same thing, creating our nice levels with our line charts to get the most precise levels. So switching over to the line charts, we'll be using a different color for this, so we'll know it's our weekly, our 4 hour mid level. So I'm seeing this level right here. So I'm seeing this level right here. It's on the supports here, broke through, turned to a resistance. So this is a very good mid level. So knowing that this is our weekly level, it broke below. Let's use right here. It broke below and it gave a retest. So we are coming here looking for on our small time frame entry confirmations. When we get that entry confirmations, we'll be taking more sales with that confidence, heading over to this level. And all through the next weeks coming, we saw that sell momentum straight down, running down. So that is one key thing. And the final key thing you can get from this is about the zones, because the resistance level is different from the zones. We have the resistance line, we have the resistance zone. So the zone is the whole area and the line is just the price. So we have gotten the price here. This is a resistance, this is a resistance price. So we want to be able to mark out the zones. You can mark out the zones with the weak rejections around the zones. So let's go here and see a zone. Let's see how we can mark out our zone right here. So I'll be picking the highest week around there, the indecision, and also putting my zone on the closing. So this hole right here will be my resistance zone. This will be my resistance zone. So you just stretch that out. You can see on the first touch, it had a reaction. On the first touch, it had a nice reaction. Even here, it didn't touch the line, but it was from the zone, it made the buy. So you can just stretch that out, and let's find more examples on how to draw these zones. So right here is a zone. You can see the indecision, and we want to cover the whole indecision from top to down. And you can see this was also where price was reacting from this zone right here. Price was reacting from this zone. So you need to be precise in drawing your zones, because the real market is not going to be picture perfect trading of the zones every time. So the zones, trading of the lines every time. So the zones is something that is going to be of help when you're going to your lower to want to join in on the weekly resistance or support levels. So getting the zones correctly is a key factor. But first, you start from getting your levels, then you go and be finding these weak rejections, these indecisions. You're covering the week from top to bottom around these levels, and this will show you your zones. You can see this zone was a key thing. If you are waiting for this entry, waiting for this price to reach right here, you could have missed your entries. But after it touched the zone, then you can enter your lower time frame, be using your news, be using your entry confirmations, and be getting in on the sales. One thing, we have the best entries ever. So we have the best entry confirmations, timing, precise, sniper entries. So here we'll be getting our sales on the lower time frame. On our 30-minute time frame, we'll be selling here and I'll take profit. You can see we'll be hitting 1, 2. We'll be managing our trades and we'll be getting a lot of good trades from this sale. So this is one thing that I urge you all, like, I hope you found this video informative and you gained the 3 things that you can combine to actually improve marking out your support and resistance clean on the chart, the ones that really matter, because it's not all the support and resistance that matters on the chart. So I hope you found this video informative, and this brings the end of this video. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.